what's up everybody? My name is Austin with Austin Smith Events, and here's how you set up one of the brightest lasers in the world, the Architect 500 watt laser. It's an RGB. I'm going to show you guys how to hook it up. So the laser here, you can take a peek inside there. And back over here is the chiller. So what we'll do first, we'll come in here, we'll get these hoses out, and these hoses will actually be running cold water through the laser and all of its optics to keep it at its ideal temperature while in use. So we have the hoses through, and we also have an adapter cable here. We want to make sure to get these hoses to where they are not pinching, because they kind of roll up a little bit. But this adapter will also come through here. That way we can completely shut this and close it off. It does have these little vents over here, so you're good to go. With this adapter, we'll go in and it'll take it from 220 to 110. So this will be your output right here. And then you'll have one of these cables right here for your input. And this chiller itself only takes 13.3 amps at 120. So not very much at all. The laser itself takes 16.7. What I'll do, I'm going to look under there and make sure these aren't crimped up at all. I'm going to roll them back in here so they actually look nice. You'll take the ends of these hoses. One that goes in here, and they're quick locks. You just put it on, that one's ready to go. And this is your input. You just push it in, ready to go. Now to get them off, you're gonna pull these little green tabs and they'll release. They'll pull that one this way. So just like that. Now once you get those two in, we can go ahead, come over here, plug the chiller in. We'll come over to this side. And you'll hit the on switch. It's on. You'll start to hear it run, click a little bit, and then you'll hit this run stop button. Long press for run for start. You'll hear the fan come on a little bit. You'll hear that beep. And you'll know it's on there. So now we know. I'm going to go ahead and close this up because it's kind of chilly out here today, but whenever it's hot, I would leave both those doors open, prop them open so that you get as much airflow going through as possible. Next up is the fan. And what you'll do here are these two little screws, the wing nuts, and this fan will actually blow across this glass so that nothing gets burnt onto it. In previous models, it was burning bugs and stuff down to the glass, and I believe, I can't remember, this is the back side of the fans. I believe it goes on like this, but or does it go like this? Maybe it does go like this. I will confirm that down in the comments or put something on this video to let you guys know exactly which way it goes. But you want these fans blowing across the glass. So you have one nut there, one wing nut here. And this will then go, plug in, if you see on it, it has a little red dot. And this will go down into, this is our 24 volt output, our remote, and our laser emission. So this is gonna be our 24 volt. That pops right in. And our laser emission light will pop on up here. And this one also has the red dot. Line it up with the laser emission light. Plug it in there. Next, we have this, which is our e-stop/start button. This is just a 3-pin DMX, and it will plug in here to our safety remote. Click in there, put that up here. This is our Architect remote control. If you're gonna do it manual mode, it has your RGB, your shutter, and your manual or FB4, because this laser can run off of Penguin software, Penguin Beyond. So you can put it in there and run it through your normal laser software, put it in time code, anything like that. This one again, little red dot, it'll plug in here to our remote. These all snap in nice and easy. From there, we'll go ahead and plug in our actual laser. It does not have an on-off switch on the back of it. And for anybody that's going to say electrical stuff, these two should be different outlets, or at least that's what they told us. This one's actually not the one we want. It's over here. It's going to be that one. So plug in the extension cord later on, but we'll just plug this one in. All right. And nothing's going to happen right now except for the light coming on and the fans coming on. The fans do blow this way, so we have this set up correctly. Now, for our stack of keys back here, we're going to need this to plug into here. And then we're going to need one of the safety keys to plug into here. Once we do that and we twist this to the right, you'll see this ready light come on. Once I do that, I'll hit this start button. You'll see this red light come on. Now, because we have it on manual mode and the shutter off, we should get nothing coming out. We don't. So once we turn the shutter on, or it's not on position where it lets us output, once we turn this on, we should get the red, we should get the green, middle blue. So we are good to go. And basically what the shutter does, I'll put it over here so you can see it going, but you can strobe it with that. That shutter keeps it on off. I'll go ahead and turn that down. And obviously, since we're setting up, we don't have anything here yet as a boundary, but we do not want anybody putting their hand, anything, any objects into it, throwing it over the top of it, anything like that. We actually have a custom built barricade that's going to go around it. There is even a little bit of reflection that comes off this way since the glass is slanted. So we have it come up to about this height. It goes around it, and then we'll also have a barricade further back. So once we have it on display, we won't have it plugged in or anything. People will be able to come over here, look into it. I'm even scared of looking into it right now and doing it that way. And I'm even going to take the keys out because I'm super like crazy about that. But now people can come over, look in it, see all the different science behind it and that sort of thing. And one other piece that we have on it that you probably don't even notice is this extra layer of glass. And this is not only to protect the super expensive glass down there, but any bugs, insects, dust, debris, anything that comes over here that does not get swept off by the fans somehow will only end up on that glass, and we're able to clean that one instead. So thank you all very much for watching this. My name is Austin with Austin Smith Events on all the socials.